Factor completely. Our first step in factoring is to make sure that we have taken out everything that's common. Looking at the coefficients first, I notice 7 is common. And then looking at the variable part, I notice that they both have at least x squared. I factor that out to the front of the parentheses, and I only use one set of parentheses, and I write down what's left in the inside. There's still one more x, so that x squared times x would be x cubed. There's a subtraction sign. And then 7 times what number is 14? Another way to do that is to take this 14 and divide it by 7. The result is 2. That's now factored completely. Let's look at this next term. In this next expression, we notice that there are 3 terms. Again, looking at the coefficients first to see if there's anything common to all of them, there's a 3 common. Then we look at the variable part. This has an x and a y, an x and a y, and an x and a y. Although this one has 2 y's, this one does not. So I can only take out what they all have in common. They all have an x, they all have a y, and then I use one set of parentheses to show what's left. 3xy goes into 6x squared y, 2x, plus this 3xy divided by what I'm factoring out, this 3xy, leaves you a 1. And in this last term, where it had a negative 9, 3 goes into negative 9, negative 3 times. The x is reduced down, and there should be 1y left. So that's factoring by taking out what's common.